Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Xiaomi 13 Pro, and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So first of all, let's open the browser, and in my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation will be similar in all other browsers. So after entering, we have to tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner and enter the history. And as you can see right here, we've got the list of all previously visited websites. And of course, if you want to, you can remove them one by one manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. But if in your case this list is so wide, then I highly recommend to do it automatically by tapping on Clear Browsing Data here in the left upper corner. And as you can see here, we've got some basic and advanced options. So in basics, we've got the browsing history, cookies, site data, and cached images and files. And in advanced, we've got also saved passwords, auto film from data, and site settings. So as you can see, basically this first section is always marked by default, and you can mark those from the advanced. So I will mark everything, which simply means that I will remove everything. What's more, we can change the time range from last hour to, for example, last 4 weeks. Let's tap on Clear Data, and as you can see, the history is empty, which simply means that you just successfully removed actually everything. So starting from the browsing history and ending on saved passwords. So basically that's all. This is how to clear the browser in your Xiaomi 13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.